This is Travis with Pro Caliber Vancouver, and today we're out here on the beautiful Columbia River showing you a new line of boats to the dealership. This is Bentley. A little bit about Bentley boats. They're located in South Carolina. They're family-owned, American-made pontoon boats. They have a lifetime guarantee in their construction under the boat, 5 to 10 years above the deck, so they've got you covered as far as warranty. Their craftsmanship is second to none. It has aluminum stringers, marine grade plywood, a very well-built boat. And this particular boat that we're on today is the Legacy 23-foot with the dual captain's chairs. It also has 2 captain's chairs up here, which is kind of a unique configuration, but it just gives your passengers more comfortable seating. These chairs swivel, tilt back, they have armrests, really nice chairs. And again, they're vinyl. The marine vinyl is really heavy duty. It's weather resistant. This boat also has a lot of power ports. You'll notice these little black ports around here. So if you have cell phones you're trying to keep charged, or the kids' video games or whatever, they're located throughout the boat. A lot of speakers as well as cup holders. One of my favorite parts of the Bentley boats are the storage underneath the seats. It's all sealed and self-contained, so if you get water up on the deck, everything in your storage stays dry, or vice versa. If you spill something in the storage, it's not going to get on your deck. A lot of cheaper pontoon boats actually have the furniture sitting right on the deck, and if you put something underneath the seat, it's sitting right on the deck, which these are not. And it's that way underneath all the seats. So a lot of storage. This particular boat has a center tube storage, so you can put a lot of stuff underneath there, water skis, wakeboards, life jackets, etc. It's got storage underneath the helm, which is really nice, a lot of storage there. It's also a fiberglass helm, really well built, raised up off the deck, a little nicer helm setup than a lot of boats. This particular boat has all your gauges for everything you need there, also has a stereo system, has a phone charger right there beside the helm, more cup holders up there. A lot of seating. It's got more seating in the back here with your standard pontoon boat type seating. This boat is actually certified with the Coast Guard for 15 passengers, which is a lot. So you've got plenty of seating for the whole party you bring out with you. One of the other really cool features of the Legacy boats, this has a power bimini. So you don't have to lift the bimini up manually like a lot of boats. This actually has a switch over here at the helm. And if you bring the bimini up, it just rises right up, sets right up where it needs to be. This particular boat is equipped with a 200 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke motor, which is super fuel efficient, quiet. You barely hear the motor running back there. They're just great motors, and they're very reliable. They have a 3-year warranty from Mercury. All of our boats have Mercury motors on them, and it's really a good choice. If you buy a boat from us, it'll also come on a VM trailer, which is a great line of trailers built specifically for each model of boat. So there you have it. This is again the Legacy 23-foot from Bentley, and we love to do demo rides. Remember, we are open 7 days a week. If you're an Oregon buyer, there's no Washington sales tax to Oregon buyers. And if you want to get out on the water, just give us a call or come on down to the dealership, and I'll personally take you out for a demo.